Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. So, as you know that we have completed all the content for week 6 also, like deployment and integration part. So, in today's session, I am going to assign you the week 6 and you can say the final project of this program. And for that, let me just share my screen. Let me tell you that what are the topics which you have to create. So up to now, you have got like multiple projects up from which you have to choose a one. But for major project, there are not much options. There are only two projects out of which you have to create a single one. Okay. Both of the projects are quite good. You have to understand them first that what you have to build, and then you can implement the logic part. Okay. So, and let me just tell you before starting with the session that what is this 6 week project, that all the five projects for you must be completed. All your report contains all the five projects details as I have told you previously. Out of them, three must be deployed. Okay. And all the GitHub repository is well maintained also. All these things, I hope you are doing it well. And the on the same time, I want to let you know that those students who are doing it on the regular basis and doing this within deadline, they will get the certificate. Okay. So now what should happen, that I am going to tell you about this, that what you have to create, and then we will start. Okay. So just give me a second and then we will start. Yes. So now we are going to start that what are the two projects out of which it's up to you that which one you choose. Okay. So let's start with the first project, which is Meti AI design tool. So let us understand that first what is this Meti AI design tool, and then you will create it. So here this PDF will be shared with you where it contains that what is the project title. Okay. After that, the type of project, which technologies you have to use here. This Cloudinary they are talking about. This Cloudinary is basically a platform where you can store your images. Okay. So it has some secret keys or tokens, which you will, when you will build this, you will get the idea that where you have to use it and other things. Okay. Then backend tools like Node.js, Express.js, Mongoose. And here is the module section of it. So let's try to understand about the key features, that what are the features which as a like intern you have to create. Okay. So up to now you have like learn everything and implement it week wise so that you can create this particular project at your own. And it is also simple one. Okay. Just it is having more functionalities, but it is not like it is something which you are not able to build. It is easy. Just the thing is it has multiple things within the same project. So you can easily tackle them. We will provide you the enough time. I will also tell you the deadline to submit this, so don't worry about it. Okay. Let's start. So what are the key features in this particular project if we choose Meti AI design tool? So first of all, you have to create a canvas area where as a user you can add and drag shapes or images or text. Okay. I will show you a platform, same working like this, and then I will tell you. Okay. Just give me a second. Image upload local image to canvas means from your browser or from your device you can upload any image over there. Text editor means you can select that suppose I can select this text to be bold, this text to be italic, something like that. Undo redo option. Suppose you have created something on the canvas, right, and you want to undo that. Like if you have drawn circle and you want to undo that, then you have to be provide them the undo functionality. And if you want to redo that, then you can also do it. I will show you a platform where all these things are there so that you can get an idea that what you have to create. Then save designs, you can save it to the MongoDB or Cloudinary where you want to store. My designs means there must be a template types of user dashboard where you will get all the designs. And user authentication. You know that landing page is also important where there will be a brief idea about your website, that what you have created, that it is a Mati AI design tool, what it will do, how to join this particular thing and other stuff. Okay. So now let me show you that what is basically a platform through which you can get an idea that what you have to create. So if we move to Excalidraw, and if I show you the features for Excalidraw, then you can compare that few of them are the same thing which we want in our project Meti AI tool, like canvas area. So the board which will be opening at your end is basically the canvas area. Okay, so this is your canvas area where you can draw anything. Then after that, image uploadation means from here you can add any image. Like if I go over here, so you can see it is giving me the option to select from my device. Second thing is this. Then text editor. What does it mean by text editor? Let me show you. From here, if I click over here, then you can see font size is here, text align is here. Okay, layers here. From here, you can select the font family and the color for that particular text, right? So this is what you can if I type something, so you are getting it like this. And this is known as your text editor. Then undo and redo. Now, what does it mean by undo or redo? I have written hi over here. Okay, if I do undo, then you can see this hi is removed from here. If I do redo, this hi is again here. So this is known as undo and redo. Then save design to your database. What it is, like suppose if I have to draw like save this canvas, I have created something which I want to save. So from the left navbar I can save it also. Okay, so like this you can save it. So you have to give the property at in your project also. Designs, you will get the user templates. Now Excalidraws don't have any template, built-in templates which you can use. What does it mean by built-in template? Like you will get some images or some meme content, and you just select that image and try to edit that. You all are aware of templates, right? What a meme maker do, they will just select a particular template and edit it as per their content. So that's known as template. So you have to also make sure that there is template. Then this user authentication. For that, you have to, I don't want that your Meti AI design tool will open up like this. It should have a landing page. When user will log in or sign up over here, then only you will see a canvas area. Okay. Then there is another thing which is admin portal, or you can say a dashboard where you will get all the templates. So it's up to you that how can you make it more better, make it even good than this. Okay, so same things are there. From here you can draw the images. This technique should be also there at your end. Then you can erase something, you can write down something. So this is what you have to actually create. So here is the full description of it, that what we want and what are the requirements of this particular project. I hope it is clear to you. Then you have to create a GitHub repository for it. You have to make it live. And this is mandatory for everyone, that you have to make this project live, or you have to deploy it on whatever platform you prefer. Okay, so that live should be working. Live link should be working. Then only you are eligible for certificate. This is second thing. And the third one is that also you have to create a recording presentation for it. As I have already told you, you have to upload it to your Google Drive so that we can get a link, and that link have the access to be public so that anyone can view that. If we are asking from a Google Drive link, then it does not ask for permission. Like if we are clicking it and it will say that user will give the permission to view this content. We don't want it. We want it to be public so that as soon as we click over there, we will get the recorded uh, presentation video, right? So that is something which you have to keep in your mind. And finally, your report is also have to be completed by the end of this project. This is your first project. Right now, I am not telling about your deadline. I will tell it after explaining the second project. Clear? what you have to create. This is the first thing which you have to make sure that you will get, that what you have to actually create. There is a client folder, there is a server folder, and then there is some uploads. Okay, so accordingly, just to see like whatever will be the good thing for you, that how you can structure your code accordingly, front end, back end, and other things. Okay, so this is the key feature which must be there, and make sure that you have a good UI. So first thing is this. Then comes Global Connect. Now let's talk about Global Connect project. So Mati AI design tool, quite simple. You have to create something like Excalidraw, but better than that. Okay, now we come to Global Connect. Global Connect is basically a platform where you have to like add few features, which are first of all a landing page which tells that what is Global Connect. So let's try to see that where is the description here. A full stack professional networking platform enable users to build a profile, means it is a platform where user can build their profile, connect with others. So second thing is connection with others, share updates, means you can share a post, chat in real time. You have the message opportunity, you can text to someone else, and that should be real time. Okay, text, and apply or post jobs. So what are the requirements of Connect project? First of all, it should be something for that user can create a profile. Like suppose if we talk about LinkedIn, you are creating your profile over there, right? Then what happens? Then we can build a profile, connect with others. You know that we have the opportunity to connect with any other user also. So we can connect with them, share updates, means you can share a post, you can chat them real time, and apply or post job. So apply or post job, what does it mean? That as a company owner, you can post the jobs, like this is the field where user can post it, and as another user I have the opportunity to get that post. So for that I will apply for a particular job. Then that you who have posted the job will verify my things and give me the access to it. So these features must be working. What are the features? First of all, you have to create something in which you can create a profile, you can connect with others, there is a real-time chat communication, you can share your post, and you can apply or post for the jobs. If you are a job seeker, you can get the job. If you are someone who wants that there is some vacancies in your company and you have to fill that, so for that you can just post it that other user can join. Okay, so this is one thing. Now, networking. User connect with professionals in their domain, career advancements, browse applies to post job, engagement, user post updates, React and component, communication must be real time, admin supervisor, admin manager reports and user. See, now why there is an admin supervision, you can say part, because see what will happen that if you are posting a job, right? So posting a job means that you are the admin of it, right? Then you are the admin for your company side, and then only you can post the job and you can match the profile of another user that it is eligible for our job requirement or not. You can see their resume. So as a suppose as a job seeker, I will upload my resume over that particular platform and apply for job. Then my company, then I will log in through the company details, and that company will be able to see that if the resume is quite good, so that I can they can give me the chance to for interview or any other further discussion. Okay, so this is something which you have to create. So here you can see there are the parts. Authentication must be there. User profile section must be there, where you can view or edit profile, upload picture from the banner, add experience, skill, education. Then you can have connection, send connection request, accept or reject a connection, list of connection, feed and post, create text, image, post, like, comment, repost, and view plus connection feed. Okay, chat messaging, you know that LinkedIn is something similar to this, right? So you have to keep this in mind, that you have to create an interface which contains all this functionality, but it should not be the clone of your LinkedIn. Okay, that's the motive, that you can create something new and even better. Okay, Just make sure you can do these things. Search and filters, suppose if you are not able to do this, then no problem. Then notification, real time notification must be there. Admin panel, manage users, job post, handle reported content, and something like that. But basically these are the feature which must be there for your project to be completed. Okay, and this should be also live, then only you will get the certificate. Clear? I hope it is. Yeah, and all of you are about LinkedIn platform, how it works. So similar kind of things you have to create. For further details, you can just go through this documentation. And now if I tell you about the deadline to complete for this project is 10 days. Okay, 10 days are not like a small amount of time. Okay, if you are going to create this, you can create it before 10 days also. So just make sure that you can segregate the task up to as per your availability, and just create it within the deadline, then only you will get the certificate. Okay, just a second. Okay. Yeah, so these are the two projects. I hope it is clear to you that first one is Meti AI design tool, something like Excalidraw, where you can like have a canvas, you can draw an image, you can have text editor, you can save that particular thing. There is a template dashboard. Okay, and in Global Connect, I have already told you there must be a platform where you can create your profile, user can connect with you, you can send the connection request, then you can text them, there will be notifications if someone likes your port or something like that. Okay, so all these feature must be there. This is why it is your major project and it is the last project of your internship program, so that you can have the knowledge, you can have the exposure that how you can create it. This is the project you can use in your resume also. Okay, so make it so good that you can like use it as your major project also in your resume. And you all know that resume is very important nowadays, and that should contain everything, a good project, their live link, and the GitHub repository for it also. So that's why we are asking you to maintain all these things so that it will be good for you also. Okay, so just make sure that whatever project you are choosing, you can get the source also, you can take the help from UI also. If something is not able, you can perform at your end. There is no like I have already told you that if you are using AI, that isn't, that is good because everyone is using it. Just you have to make sure that you have the knowledge that whatever the AI is giving to you, that code must be clear to you at your end, that why they have written this particular section of code, why this file is here, and what is the code inside this file. So everything you have to make at your own. Okay, and I hope you will do that. So yeah, that's it for this project explanation session for the week 6, and I hope that you will do a great job in it. So all the best for this. And yeah, 10 days is the deadline. So just make sure that you will complete it within 10 days. Why I am giving giving you 10 days time and asking you to complete it before 10 days. The reason is if you want further time after 10 days, then there might be possibility that you will not get your certificate. What might be possibility? It is compulsory that you have to complete it within the deadline, then only you will get the certificate. And I hope only those students who are like good from starting, they are only able to cover up to now. And if they are completed all the week 5 project, then I want that they will complete this also and just earn their certificate throughout the session. Thank you so much for being so consistent, everyone, and those who have completed all the projects and presentations at every lecture. That's mean a lot. So in starting, many people will join, but you can see as soon as we this week 6 start or this end project come, the thing is that people leave, and that's where you win. Okay, they are your competitors, and if you are up to here, and if you have come or if you are going to complete it, then you can know that you have beat all the competition of yours and you are ready for any opportunity in future. So yeah, that's it. All the best, everyone. Just create the project, take the help from AI, but not copy it. Just try to learn from there, just make it more enhanced and complete it within deadline. Thank you so much. Now you can leave.